look lively and ready to flip some cars. We're going to go live center of the track. Corey sets to the switch of the wall. Good Charles coming out. That's your leaders right behind you, David. All the stock and smaller cars. Right behind you. Corey likes to hit everything but the track. Keep it in the center. Try to concentrate the center of the track. Over sticking between the pipe. Pinball wizard.
No! Oh no!
So far we got Anthony in the lead. Bob second.
Not anymore.
Charles still sticking it with third place. Then Steve, Leo, and Corey.
First, second, third, fourth,
2 minutes into this one.
fifth,
Bob, Charles, Anthony.
second, third, fourth.
You're right in the middle, Dion, between second and third of the battle. First in front of you, seconds behind you. Battle for the lead. Bob's got it, Charles wants it.
Third, fourth. First, second.
2.5 down, 2.5 minutes to go.
Third, fourth, sixth.
Okay, get it.
First, second. Third, fourth, fifth.
Oh crap!
Battle for the lead, battle for third and fourth.
First, second.
Charles is catching up, pushing the pressure to Bob. Under pressure. Third and fourth. Oh, Casagrande, Boglin, and Steve taking over. Now Dion's in the mix too. The battle for third place.
Second, third,
Come on, Charles.
third, fifth, fourth.
Charles take over. He did.
Second,
No, he didn't.
third, fourth, first, sixth, fifth,
Bob's got a win. Got a line on it.
third, fourth, first, fifth. 1 minute left. Second, sixth, third, first.
45 seconds to go. We got Bob, Anthony, Charles. Bob's on a 22.5 flat. Anthony's on a 22.511. Steve's on a 21.5. That's your leader, Bob, going down the straightaway. 20 seconds. Next up, first B to stop. B-Main stop.
1, 9, first, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, second, 1.
You guys get one more main.
The shot time is up. Fourth default is done. First frog near omelet done. Sixth Cory Noble done. Second damage.
Good job, Bob. Damn, man. Woo! That was a.
That was hard to hold it.
Yeah, that was like.
Charles got close and I was like, no, that wasn't me. In the beginning, I can take it from the dot.